It's raining so beautifully. When the weather is sultry and hot, this is the beginning of the August, and the rain bringing so much of the happiness. A pleasant weather. It gives all the relief and happiness to the inhabitants. The greenery and the scenery around, and the sky. The clouds are thundering, and thundering clouds again are bringing a good atmosphere around. You can see the beautiful flowers, the trees, the grass, and the falling of the rain. See, enjoy. It is looking so beautiful, so good, so pleasant, wonderful. One can really enjoy a good weather during summers. God bless. Jai Hind.